Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my March Miss to Mrs box. Miss to Mrs is a bridal subscription service, and I get boxes from them every other month. So this is actually my second box from them. I got my first one in January. I'm also subscribed to the ring box, which delivers every single month. But I'm excited to see what's inside. I actually just got my ring box for this month today as well, and I filmed a video on that. But this is Miss to Mrs Bridal Box. This is what it looks like. I think the packaging is super cute. I love this corally pink print with the gold writing. And then when you open it up, it says "For every bride to be." And then it's got some cards here telling you what's inside the box. So removing those, I just have some tissue paper and a sticker on it that says thank you. This is a very full box, just to start with. So first, underneath the tissue paper is this card. It says Bridal Veil Guide, and it talks about veil shapes, veil lengths, veil fabrics. And then there's also wedding underwear, which lingerie styles fit your bridal dress. So it's got different necklines, corsets, push-ups, different things to consider for your wedding dress. I really like that Miss to Mrs includes these like informational cards. Like there was one in my first box for maid of honor, and then I think it was like a wedding checklist was another one, but I was able to give that maid of honor card to my friend who I selected to be and asked to be my maid of honor, and I think that it's going to be very helpful. So I do really like that they include these in this box. So the first thing that I see is this hat. This is hilarious to me because I just got a hat in my ring box for this month, and I was saying how I thought I had just gotten one in February's ring box, but I think that I actually got it in my first Miss to Mrs box, and it's gray and it says bride on it. Well, this one is white and it says bride on it. It is super cute. Actually, I really like it. Super cute. I've never had so many ball caps in my life. Next up, I have this Shine Bright phone grip and stand. So it's kind of like the pop socket or like a ring for your phone. It's in the shape of a diamond and it's rose gold. And then this comes out and it can become like a kickstand, or you can hold on your finger. I do already have a pop socket on my phone. My case is from Ideco's. I know they just changed their company name. I'm not sure what it is anymore, but it is from Ideco's, and this is just from Pop Socket. Next I have this little dish. It holds your rings, your jewelry. It says I said yes. Super pretty. I also received one of these in my February, the ring box. It's small and circular, and it says Mrs. in it. This is fun. This is an ice tray or an ice cube tray, and it is in the shape of rings. So you can have ring-shaped ice cubes. Next up, we have a canvas tote. Comes in this little bag. It's white. The straps are black. It's just an open tote. I also just got a tote from the ring boxes this month, and this one says bride to be, and then it says Miss to Mrs down here. So that's very nice. It feels pretty heavy duty too, which I like. And then I got this, what are these called? Like drink cozies, for your cans or your beverages. It says stressed, blessed, and wedding planning obsessed, and I am 100% all of those. So there's one side of it, and then the back is just a ring. And then last but not least is a crew neck t-shirt. Oh, it's got the fun like trim. That's a different color. So it is white with black trim, and then in purple and black writing it says girlfriend, and it's crossed out, and it says fiance. So that's cute. I like that, and I got it oversized so that I can tie it up and just be comfy in it. So overall, I really like this box. I know I can only compare it to my other Miss to Mrs box that I received in January, but overall I'm very happy with the Miss to Mrs box. I wanted to review a couple different bridal subscription services like this, and I've received 3 of the ring boxes, and this is my second of Miss to Mrs, and so far I've been very impressed with Miss to Mrs, a little bit more so than the ring boxes. I think both are great. But you can definitely watch my playlist of the videos and see which one might work for you. Let me know down below if you have subscribed to a bridal subscription box, and let me know which one. I am interested in maybe trying out Maven box in a few months. It is a little bit more expensive, so I'm kind of holding off on it, but I will have Miss to Mrs link down below if you're interested. And yeah, go ahead and tell me if you have subscribed, if you are thinking of subscribing, which one would you pick if you could only pick one. And I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you